Wrap the yarn around your index and middle fingers. Make a slip knot on your hook. Hook with 9 slip stitch. Turn and start in the second chain from your hook. Yarn over, insert the hook through second stitch. Yarn over and pull out. So we complete first half double crochet, second half double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook through fourth stitch. Yarn over and pull out. Yarn over and pull through front 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the all loops on the hook at one time. So we complete first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, fourth double crochet, half double crochet, crochet 3 single crochet in same stitch. Crochet half double crochet in next stitch. Crochet 4 double crochet, crochet 2 half double crochet, hook with a chain stitch. Cut the yarn.